Hello, welcome back to Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. This video for the winning tip number 3, check the market outlook before you set decision for any round. Check the market outlook. I show you now. So before we check any decision, before we set decision for any round, so we need to check this market outlook to know the growth of the market, or for the coming round. For example, in this example, this round 4 screen, you see that the US demand expected to decrease by about 3% and Asia about 7%, right? European demand is expected to remain unchanged. That's for round 4. Right? With this calculation, we can see the demand for growth and or decrease reduction for the coming round, so we can adjust our estimate or calculation of the sales forecast or the demand, right? And adjust the strategy of production and marketing. So that's the winning tip number 3. Take the market outlook to see the demand fluctuation up and down for each round before we set decision, right? If you have any question, you can send the email to cecimhelp2022@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2, right? Take the winning tips, right? We have to check the market outlook here. Check the market outlook to see the growth rate each round. Okay, check the other video for more winning guide and tips. And if you need the support, you can send the email to cecimhelp2022@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and